Happy Tuesday from this spontaneous nudist beach spot in Sickla on the Sickla lake, and it looks very exciting indeed. It is marked on Google Maps as Sickla tourist spot, but it's not an official nudist beach. But however, it's on a separate island connected to the mainland in quite interesting entrance to get in it. It is surrounded by some trees and there are even some ducks as well that I have scared of a bit. Sorry duckies, I didn't mean to. And it's time to swim together here in Sicklasjön and to continue the beach adventures on this, I believe, beach day number 84 on my Sweden beach adventures. It's supposed to be a cloudy day today, and it's going to be full day cloudy as well. But you can also sit here on this tree as well. Quite nice place, I must admit. A bit hidden from the public beaches on the other side. You don't see basically anything, especially if you're going for a dip here in this super still water and the super nice reflection. And what else? Yes, it is currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. And let me know what you think of the World Cup so far. Belgium beating US yesterday 4-1 I think, and also Norway beating Brazil 2-1. So Europe is really on a roll, but also it's going good for few South American countries as well, and also Egypt I think it's playing tonight, and Argentina. But yeah, let's now enjoy a nice swim in the lake Sickla. I have only made one video from Sickla earlier, from the main beach spot. So now I'm choosing this that's marked, as I mentioned, Sickla tourist spot, but it's definitely not an official one, I can assure you for that. But very scenic and very good indeed. Okay. Now let's see what we are dealing with here at the entrance. Okay, we have some rocks, slippery rocks indeed, and super still water, and very shallow as well. And it goes quite deep here after the first few steps. So ready, set, and go! Oh, it's quite deep enough here and very interesting setting, I must admit. Perfect for a secret beach spot here in the nature, as it is a bit far from the trail here in the Nacka nature reserve. And one ducky here that keeps me company. Beautiful indeed. I'm not sure how warm it is in the lake, Sickla Lake, but it should be somewhere about between 20 to 23 degrees. And let's film a bit the duck. That they have different types of colors depending on the gender also, I have learned recently. And Yeah, it's, and these trees here that are rising from the water are also very mysterious indeed. Okay, so now I'm gonna be swimming a bit, maybe 15 minutes, let's see. But thank you so much for watching this episode with me from this new beach spot that I'm showing you for the very first time on my channel, Spontaneous Nude Beach Spot. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.